Flowers, and I am a student of Dave Ramsey's Financial Peace University and on a journey to become 100% debt-free. I am currently on baby step number 1 to save $500, and that is because my income is under $20,000 a year. I work part-time, earning anywhere between $1,000 and $1,200 a month. My current debt is over $180,000, and I eat on a monthly grocery budget for one at $50 a month. In one of my videos, I showed how I'd make a Buddha bowl and how I would drizzle a balsamic reduction over the top. So many of you all requested that I show how to make a balsamic reduction. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how I make my balsamic reduction to dress up all of my foods. And if you're interested in that, please keep watching. Okay, so the 3 things that you're going to need to be able to make this balsamic reduction is a saucepan, and this is a very small saucepan. It has a little bit of a weight to it. I find that if you try to make a balsamic reduction with a very cheap saucepan, it's going to be problematic because you're warming very slowly. You're going to need some balsamic vinegar. This happens to be my favorite brand of balsamic vinegar. And then you're going to need a spoon, and that is all. So let's go over my shoulders so you guys can see how to make this reduction. So the first thing that you want to do is turn on your burner and put it on a medium heat. Place your saucepan right over the top and then pour in your balsamic reduction. I am not going to measure, but I will say that I am going to use the rest that is in this, and it looks like it's about 1/4 cup of balsamic. Measuring your balsamic vinegar that you put in isn't as important as understanding that whatever amount that you put in, you're reducing it, and you're going to be reducing it to about 25%. And so I want to show you guys how liquidy that goes in, because the way that that is pouring out very liquidy like that, you will not have that effect once your balsamic vinegar has been reduced. I like to bring it to a quick boil, not like a aggressive boil, but just like a quick boil, and then I reduce the heat. So I turned it all the way up to boil just around the edges and pushing off some fragrance. So once that happens, I immediately reduce the heat back down to the medium, and then you continue cooking at medium. You want to stir frequently. All right, so I'm just about done. You can see it sticking to the sides. You can see that it has thickened up quite a bit. Because I'm going to have it later, I'm going to let it cool in this little dish. So I will set that there. And while it is still fairly runny, but definitely reduced, I'm going to pour it all in here. So that is how you make my balsamic reduction. I am super grateful for you all asking the question. I highly recommend that you make a balsamic reduction anytime you're trying to kick up your veggies, your salads, your bruschetta, any sort of food item. It's a very quick and easy way to add a punch of flavor to any dish. Plus, it feels just a little touch luxurious, which I kind of like that when I'm dining. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you want to see more videos cooking related, please give this video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments below what you would like to see me prepare. And I will talk to you all very soon. Bye.